Poverty has become the order of the day, and the economy is not making it easy for a lot of us. Getting a job these days have become very difficult, but getting a job that you would earn highly has become almost impossible in Africa. If you are watching me right now and you're looking for a job that you would earn highly, this channel and this video is for you. I'm going to share with you all 15 high-paying job openings that are available in Cameroon today, and you can either work remotely or physically. And this video is a request from my viewers in Cameroon. So if you're watching me right now and you want me to create a video for you, let me know the topic and the country you are watching me from on the comment section down below. Hello, small gigs, big results. On this channel, we are turning your smartphone into an earn phone, and we have decided to monetize everything we do. So if you love this and you want to be part of the winning team, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end. The first job opportunity that is available and will pay you highly in Cameroon today is finance assistant. The organization recruiting for this position is DRC, and DRC is Danish Refugee Council. It's a non-governmental organization, and this position was opened on the 4th of January. This organization has over 7,000 employees and 8,000 volunteers. Their vision is a life of dignity for all displaced persons. If you are interested in this position and you want to apply, go to the description and click on the link there, or you go to LinkedIn, or you can go directly to the DRC website and you apply for this position. The location for this job is in Yaoundé, and you need a 3 to 4 years experience as a finance assistant to be able to get this position. The second job available in Cameroon today that you will earn highly is coordinateur finance. The organization employing for this position is Care France, and this job was updated on the 3rd of January 2024. Candidates are obliged to speak both French and English, and this position is a 1-year contract and it's renewable. The remuneration for this position is between 3,600 euros to 3,800 euros. For you to apply, send your CV and motivation letter to the address you see on your screen right now. An incomplete CV will not be considered, and a CV more than 5 pages will never be considered. The third job available in Cameroon today that you can earn highly is the Human-Wildlife Conflict Monitoring Intern. The location for this job is Yaoundé, and the duration is 6 months. Some of the skills needed for this job is a good understanding of human-wildlife conflict issues, community-based conversation, basic understanding of the forest, elephant biology, distribution, and behavior. This is just to name a few. For you to apply, go to the link on your screen right now and apply for this job, or you go to their website and you apply for this job. Now, the company employing or recruiting for this position is the WWF. The next job available in Cameroon today that will pay you highly is finance, human resource, administration, and coordinator. This was posted on the 27th of December 2023 and would close sooner than you know it. So make sure you take your chance today and apply for this position. The organization employing for this position is Diaconia Catastrophe Life. The location for this job is Yaoundé, but you would have to travel for multiple support missions. Some of the countries that this organization covers is the Sahel regions, especially Chad, Burkina Faso, and Niger. You are expected to travel 30% of your time. So if you're interested in this position and you want to apply, you can go directly to the link on your screen right now and apply, or you go to their website and you apply for this position. The fifth job opportunity in Cameroon today that you can earn highly is the senior engineer. This position was launched on the 15th of December 2023, and the organization employing for this position is Innovation Africa. They are seeking hardworking, dedicated senior engineers in Cameroon. For you to apply, send your CV to the link you see on your screen right now. Public health expert is the next job available in Cameroon today. This position was opened on the 8th of July 2022 and it's still open up to today. For you to qualify, you must have an advanced university degree in medical public health, health system management, and or any related field. And you must have 12 years of experience. If you are interested in this position and you want to apply, send your CV and your certificates to the link you see on your screen right now. Responsable Regional is the next job available in Cameroon today. This position was launched on the 8th of January 2024, and the company employing for this position is the CAP at the University of Columbia. And the location for this job is Mariwa, and the category is a technical, clinical, and quality improvement trainer. For you to apply, the link is on your screen right now, or you can go to their website and you apply for this position. The next job available is that of a technical assistant, and this job was launched on the 26th of December 2023, and the job is open up till today. The company employing for this position is Geese. But before we go into that, let me know if you are having value from this video. Let me know the country you're watching me from. This is so that the next time I'm creating a video, I'll be able to create a video that you can leverage on. This video is a request from some of my viewers in Cameroon, and you too can do the same. Let me know the topic you want me to talk on and the country you are in. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so very much for joining us. On this channel, we talk about everything money, how you can empower yourself and how you can use the online space to become financially independent. And if you're my returnee subscriber, thank you so very much for always supporting the channel. I hope you're getting value from the videos we upload on this channel. That being said, let's go back to our topic. The location for this job is Bafoussam and Douala. They are looking for a technical assistant for supporting civil society partners for organizational development, including financial management. For you to apply, you can send your CV, your motivation letter in French to the link you see on your screen right now. The next job is that of a strategy management advisor. It's a full-time job and it's also located in Douala and Bafoussam. This position was opened on the 4th of January 2024 and the position is still open. And the company recruiting for this position is Geese. They are looking for candidates with above 2 years of experience and a university degree. Having a German nationality or any EU nationality is an added advantage for you, and you must be willing to travel regularly. If you are interested in this position and you want to apply, you can send your CV and your documents to the link on the screen. The next job is that of an English-speaking travel consultant. This is a remote job, so you can work from wherever you want, from the comfort of your garden, from the comfort of your bed, from the comfort of your kitchen. It is your decision. The company employing for this position is Global Connect. Your sector is to be a travel agent and a tour operator. They also have the position of a content writer. So if you are interested in any of the above job, that is the English speaking training consultant or the content creator, you can send your CV and your motivation letter to the link you see on your screen right now. The next job available in Cameroon today is that of a personalized online art advisor. For you to be able to apply for this position, you need to be able to speak and write French fluently. The company recruiting for this position is Tell Us International AI Data Solutions Cameroon. This job is a remote job, which means you can work from anywhere across the globe and you can apply from anywhere across the globe. This job is also a part-time job, which means you can do this job alongside your 9-to-5 job or any other job that you have. They are looking for dynamic people with strong communication skills and that are always using the internet daily. So if you are interested in this position and you want to apply, you can send your CV and your motivation letter to the link you see on your screen right now, or you go to LinkedIn and you apply for this position. The next job is that of a country director. The company employing for this position is the Cameroon International. This job is a remote job and a full-time job, so you can work from wherever you so please. The salary to this job is negotiable, so when you get the employment, you can negotiate on how much you want to earn. For you to apply, if you are interested, you can send your CV and your motivation letter to the link you see on your screen right now. The next job available in Cameroon today is that of a sales and marketing specialist. McKinsey is the company recruiting for this position and it's a full-time job. For you to apply for this job, you can send your CV, your motivation letter to the link you see on your screen right now, and the location for this job is in Douala, Cameroon. Senior Landscape Manager is the next job available in Cameroon today. The company recruiting for this position is African Wildlife Foundation. It's a full-time job and your responsibilities are program management and operation, program development, grant management, technical support to activities, and much more. For you to apply for this position, you can go directly to their website and apply, or you go through LinkedIn, or you can send your CV and motivation letter to the link you see on your screen right now. The last job on our list, which is not the least, is the service desk analyst. The company recruiting for this position is the Mavians PLC. It's a full-time job and it's located in Douala. The amazing thing about this job is that during the week, you work from 4 p.m. till 9 p.m. and weekends you work from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m., which simply means that you can take this job alongside another job. You are required to have an excellent command in English and French. You must be able to read, write, and speak French. For you to apply, you can go directly to their website and apply, or you can go through LinkedIn to apply, or you can send your CV and motivation letter to the link you see on your screen right now. The above 15 jobs are both remote jobs and physical jobs, which means that you can apply for these jobs wherever you are across the globe. If it's a physical job, you can move to Cameroon if you are employed. If it's a remote job, you can work from the comfort of wherever you so please. If you have had value from this video, please go down to the comment section and comment, monetize everything we do, like and share this video with your friends and your family. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so very much for joining us. We talk about everything money, how to empower yourself, and how to become financially independent using your smartphone or any device that you have. If you are my returnee subscriber, thank you so very much for always supporting the channel. And make sure you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on any video we upload on this channel. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. See you on my next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space.